Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install a Signal private jet application. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, let's get started. So what you need to do here, you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for Signal, and also I will give this link on the description box. You can directly click on the link and you can download from Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, then go to App Store and search for it. Now here, to install this, to download this, you have to simply click on install button here. Now here, this is an application exactly like WhatsApp Messenger, so you must use this. So here you can see it depends upon the network how much time it will take to download it. So I hope you understood how it works. So let's wait until it gets downloaded. 99%. So it's done, and you can see here it's on an installing process, and let's check it out after the download completed. So finally we have successfully downloaded, and if you want to use this, simply click on open option and then we can use. I hope this video will be absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.